Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Story. To know how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Story, you should just go to settings like this, you will click. Then here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this page, you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And then here, sorry for that mistake. Here, Instagram, force stop and storage, then clear cache, and then clear data. And you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next